Welcome to Total Technik. Today we're working on the Audi Q7, and in this video we're going to be showing you how to remove this panel from the end of your dashboard. Really useful for accessing things like fuses. Let's take a look. So first things first, we are going to need a tool to be able to lever this panel off. Now you can use something like a flathead screwdriver, but the problem with screwdrivers, of course, they're made of metal, and so they're much harder than the materials that you're putting them against, and so you can end up damaging the trim. So you're much better off using something like this. This is a proper dedicated trim tool, and this is made of plastic. And thankfully these are really cheap to buy a set of these. You can buy these on Amazon for just a few dollars, and we will add some links into the video description below if you want to pick up a set of these. But of course, because these are plastic, you're much less likely to do any damage to your actual vehicle when you're using these, so these are much better than using screwdrivers. So what we're going to do is just get your trim tool, just come in under the edge here and just start to lift it up. And you'll feel where the clips are located as you work your way around. And once those trims are detached, just lean it forward and pull it out from the back here. And that's the location of the clips here. 1, 2 and 3. On the back of the panel here we've got a little sticker that tells us what all of the fuses are for. Additionally, we've got this little white tool here. This is like a little tweezer tool that allows you to easily remove the fuses. To refit the panel, what you want to do is just get that rear edge in, that slightly folded edge. Get that in first of all. Line up your clip at the top and the bottom. Push that in, then you've got your third clip here. And that's job done. And so there we have it. That is how to remove your dashboard end panel. If this video has been helpful for you, we always ask, can you help us out in return? Please be sure to at least hit that like button for us. Likewise, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website for hundreds more Audi and VW videos. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. We'll see you again.